Good morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Very good. In our previous class, I taught about our Earth. In the previous class, I taught now globe is model of our Earth. It is a model. It is a model of our Earth. Earth is looking in blue color. It is called as blue planet. Earth is looking in blue color, so it is called blue planet. And Earth is rotating itself. It is rotating itself from west to east. It is how the globe is rotating, like our Earth also rotating. While it is rotating, the days may form. Okay, and it is the third planet from the sun. It is the third planet from the sun. How many planets are there in the solar system? 8 planets are there. 8 planets are there. First one is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are the 8 planets are revolving around the sun. It is called solar system. I said no? Now, what is Earth's surface having? Okay, we are going to learn that. The area near the surface of Earth can be divided into 4 main components: land, water, air and life. These are called the sphere of Earth. These spheres show how these components are interrelated to make Earth a complete system of life. Our Earth surface. It is the Earth, no? It is the Earth, no? The Earth surface. Actually, we are living here. It is surface, no? We are building. We are building our buildings on this surface. We are standing here, but not falling down. We are standing on the surface of the earth. కానీ కింద పడిపోవట్లేదు. మన నార్మల్గా బాల్ మీద నిలబెట్టామనుకోరా, బాల్ ఆల్సో ఇన్ స్పియర్ ఇన్ షేప్. Ball also in sphere shape. If we stand on the ball, we may fall down. If we stand on the ball, we may fall down. Ball pe nilabaddamanko kinda padipotam. But if we stand on our earth, why we are not falling down? Because earth having the gravitation power. Magnet telusa meeku? Magnet ki gravitation power untundi. Adi annitni attract chestundi. It may the iron things may paste to the magnet. Like that, earth also having the gravitation power. That's what we are not falling down. Here we are here. We are on the surface of the earth. The surface of the earth is having 4 components. This earth surface paina 4 components unnai. What are there? They are land. Land means ground. Land is there. Okay? And water is there, which are in blue color. They are water bodies. Blue color lo unnayani water bodies. Okay, and the countries and continents are on the land. అండర్స్టాండ్ అవుతుందా? ఎర్త్ సర్ఫేస్ ఇస్ కవర్డ్ విత్ ల్యాండ్, వాటర్ and air in the atmosphere. The earth surface is covered with air. దీని చుట్టూ ఏముంది తెలుసారా? దీని చుట్టూ ఏముంది? Air is there. It is earth, no? ఎర్త్ చుట్టూ ఏముంది? Air. Earth surface is covered with the air. And the surface of earth, air is there. And also what is there? Life is there. Earth is the only life-giving planet. I said no. Earth is the only life-giving planet. Earth పైన మాత్రమే లైఫ్ ఉంది. అవునా? So Earth surface is divided into 4 parts: land, water, air, and life. This is interrelated to one another. Amma, how we are living on the earth? Why there is no life on other planets? Why there is no life on other planets? ఇంకా వేరే ప్లానెట్స్ పైన లైఫ్ లేదని చెప్పాను కదా, ఎందుకు? Because on our earth water bodies are there, land forms are there, and air is there, and also sunlight also focusing on our earth surface. That is why there is a life. So we are interconnected. The life, the living organisms are interconnected with the land forms, water forms, and also air. Okay? Next, the earth. Earth is having land, water, and air are non-living things. Land, water, and air. These are the natural non-living things. I explained in the previous class. Natural non-living things. What are the natural non-living things? Land, water, and air. Land, water, and air are the natural non-living things. Life is the living thing. Life means in the life who are there? Living things are there. Means humans, animals, birds, plants, insects, water animals, microbes. All are there. Life means the living things. Life ఎవరెవరికి ఉంటుంది? మనకుంది life. We may die. We have the life. We may born and we may die. Not only we. Birds, animals, trees all may born and all may die. That is called life. Life అంటే పుట్టడం చచ్చిపోవడమే life. కదా? So life is a living thing. Land, water, and air, they won't born, they won't die. Land పుడుతుంది చచ్చిపోతుందా మనట్లాగే? No. That's what they are non-living things. Life is the living thing. Lithosphere. The study of land is called a lithosphere. The study of land is called a lithosphere. This is the solid rocky surface covering the entire planet from the top of mountain to the deep ocean floors. Hydrosphere, water. This covers almost 3/4 of Earth. This is composed of all water in the ocean, seas, rivers, lakes, snow, underground, and even the moisture in the air. Here, land. The study of land is called a lithosphere. Land consists with the rocky mountains, hills, and all the landforms. Lands means all the landforms. What are the landforms? Mountains are the landforms. Hills are the landforms. Plateaus are the landforms. Plains are the landforms. These are the landforms. Mountains, hills, plateaus and plains are considered as lithosphere. Lithosphere means from the top of the mountain to steep oceans. ఎత్తైన పర్వతాల నుండి మొదలు పెడితే ఎత్తైన మౌంటైన్స్ నుండి మొదలు పెడితే ప్లెయిన్స్ వరకు అన్ని డిపెండ్స్ చిన్న కిందికి అడుగులో ఉంటాయి. లోయెస్ట్ ల్యాండ్ ఫార్మ్స్. హైయెస్ట్ ల్యాండ్ ఫార్మ్స్ ఆర్ ద మౌంటైన్స్. లోయెస్ట్ ల్యాండ్ ఫార్మ్స్ ఆర్ ద ప్లెయిన్స్. దే ఆర్ called as landforms. They are considered as lithosphere. Okay. Next, water. The study of water is called the hydrosphere. The study of water is called the hydrosphere. On the earth, Nana, once see the globe. Amma, our globe, our earth. It is a model, no? Mostly it is covered with blue color. ఈ గ్లోబ్ పైన ఎక్కువ ఏ కలర్లో ఉంది? ఎక్కువ ఏ కలర్ కనబడుతుందిరా? లుకింగ్ బ్లూ కలర్. బ్లూ ఈజ్ అ సింబల్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్. Blue is a symbol of water. Everywhere we are looking blue. The globe is looking blue color. most part of the globe is covered with the blue color. Colored with blue. Most part of the globe is covered with the blue color. Colored with blue. Why? Blue is a symbol of water, no? Means on our earth surface, on our earth, here earth is there, no? A large part of our earth, 3/4 part, means these 3 parts, if you take our earth, 3 parts water is there. Most part of the earth is covered with the water. Only 1 part land is there. Understand me? Water is more than the land. 3 parts water and 1 part land. That's what it is looking like, blue in color. That's what our earth is called as blue planet. Understand me? Because it is 3/4 part of our earth is covered with the water. Okay. Next, atmosphere, air. If it is universe, this total body is universe, it is atmosphere. Atmosphere means air. The study of air is called atmosphere. Our earth surface, on the earth surface covered with the air. Anta emundi ikkada? Air is there. Okay, here earth is there. On the surface of the earth, air is there. Okay, this consists of, last one, biosphere, living component. Life. This consists of all living organisms, plants and animals, including microbes. On the earth surface, what are there? Life is there. Life means humans. Who are the life? What is the life is there? Humans are there. Animals are there. Birds are there. small creatures and small microbes which we can't see with our naked eye. మన కంటికి కనిపించిన చిన్నగా ఉండే బ్యాక్టీరియా కూడా ఉంటుంది. The bacteria also called a life. It is also having the life. Virus life లేదా ఉంది. It is also having the life. ఒక నుండి స్ప్రెడ్ అయిపోతుంది. మీన్స్ అది కూడా ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవుతుంది, రీప్రొడ్యూస్ అవుతుంది. రీప్రొడక్టివిటీ ఉంది దానికి కూడా. It is also moving from one place to another. So virus also the living thing. Understand? The study of life is called a biosphere. Next, the shape of earth. It was believed on the olden days that the earth was flat. The Greek observed that as the ships sailed away, hulls dropped out of sight first, and then the sails. The sails of ships which were approaching from the far distance were always seen before the hulls. Actually, once upon a time, it was believed, the people believed that the earth was in flat surface. Earth is in flat. Earth was flat, like bench, chair. Everybody thought that earth was flat. Flat ga undanta. It is like flat. Greek observed that in the olden days, the people believed that earth was flat in shape. But the Greek observed what they observed. If it is in flat shape, Nana, while they were sailing, while the Greeks sailing, the sailors means those who travel on water. Those who travel on water, they are called sailors. Okay, the Greek sailors observed that if there is a boat, Nanama, there is a ship. It is on the earth's surface, no? Here is a boat. If it is flat, while they are going near to the ship, first of all they are looking at the peak. They are seeing only the peak. While they were coming, first of all they are looking the peak. The sails కనబడుతుంది వాళ్ళకి. They are looking the sails. After that, when they are reaching near to the ship, దగ్గర దాకా వచ్చాక, when they came near to the ship, they see the hulls of the ship. Hulls means the total body. When they reach near to the ship, they saw the total body of the ship. Understand me? And while they were going back also, while they are going back, slowly the hulls may disappear. Hulls ante మెల్లిగా ఈ బాడీ కనబడకుండా పోతుంది. Finally, the peak means here the sails may disappeared. If it is flat, if our earth is flat, we have to see the total hulls of the ship, the total body of the ship. మనం నార్మల్గా మన ఎర్త్ ఫ్లాట్ షేప్లో ఉంటే ఎప్పుడు మనం ఈక్వల్ షేపే కనబడాలి. if our earth is flat, ఎర్త్ ఫ్లాట్గా ఉందనుకోరా, ఎర్త్ ఫ్లాట్గా ఉంటే ఏం కనబడాలి, మనం వచ్చేప్పుడు కానీ వెళ్ళేప్పుడు కానీ టోటల్ బాడీ మొత్తం మనకు కనిపించాలి. బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ లైక్ దట్, నో. దట్స్ వాట్ దే scientifically proved that earth is in sphere shape. How? Here, if the persons are here, that's what, while they are going near to the ship, they are seeing the peak first. మన ఎర్త్ స్పియర్ షేప్లో ఉందనుకోరా, while the sailors are going near to the ship దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి ఫస్ట్ ఏం కనబడుతుంది మనకు? పీక్ కనబడుతుంది. ఆఫ్టర్ when we are going near to the ship దగ్గర దాకా వస్తే మెల్లమెల్లగా ఈ పాట్ మెల్లిమెల్లిగా ఈ పాట్ మెల్లిమెల్లిగా ఈ పాట్, ఫైనల్లీ they see the total part. Okay, that's what they explained, that they scientifically proved that earth was in spherical shape. Examples are there, Nana. Here, if it is flat, the boy has to see the total part of the ship. But it is in, our earth is in sphere shape. That's what we can see the sails first. After that we can see the hulls. Hulls ante tarvata total ship kanabadutundi. First sails maatrame kanabaduతాయి మనకు. Okay, next here also same. If it is flat shape, flat ga undanukora, the person in the blue color, sorry, the person in the yellow car and the person in the blue car has to see the hill totally. ముందు కార్లో ఉన్నతనికి పూర్తిగా కనబడాలి, వెనుక కార్లో ఉన్నతనికి కూడా పూర్తిగా కనబడాలి హిల్, బట్ నాట్ లైక్ దట్. Here the person who is in the yellow car is seeing the hill totally. The person who is in the blue car is seeing the peak of the hill first. After that, when he reach near to the hill, he will see the total hill. Flat earth. If the earth is flat, people in both cars can see the entire mountain. Total mountain కనబడుతుంది ఫ్లాట్గా ఉంటే. Curved earth. On a spherical earth, the people in yellow car can see the full mountain, whereas the people in the blue car can see only the peak of mountain. Okay. Next, Indians called the earth as Bhugolam in ancient days because they know it is a spherical sphere. Golam means sphere. Later, the scientists have observed that the earth is not perfect sphere like a ball, but it resembles the shape of an orange. Here, actually, we believe that earth is in spherical shape, no? Spherical. The Indians, we called our planet as Bhugolam. మన ఇండియాని ఎర్త్ అని తెలుగులో ఏమంటారు తెలుసా? భూమి కదా. ఏ ఆకారంలో ఉంది అంటే భూగోళం అంటారు. గోళాకారం. స్పియర్ మీన్స్ గోళం. అండర్స్టాండ్? ఎర్త్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ భూమి అండ్ స్పియర్ మీన్స్ గోళం. స్పియర్ అంటే గోళం. మన ఇండియన్స్ ఏమంటారంటే earth is in Bhugolam shape. Bhugolam means a sphere. Sphere is exact shape of ball. నార్మల్గా మీరు ఆడుకునే బాల్స్ ఉన్నాయా? బాల్ కూడా స్పియర్ షేప్లో ఉంది. బాల్ కూడా ఎగ్జాక్ట్ స్పియర్ షేప్లో ఉంటుంది. బట్ ఆఫ్టర్ ద సైంటిస్ట్ ప్రూవ్డ్ దట్, యాక్చువల్లీ ఫస్ట్ ఏమంటున్నారంటే మన బాల్ లాగానే, బాల్ ఎలా అయితే స్పిరికల్ షేప్లో ఉందో, స్పియర్ షేప్లో ఉందో, ఎర్త్ కూడా ఎగ్జాక్ట్ అలానే ఉంది. దే థాట్. బట్ ఆఫ్టర్ ద సైంటిస్ట్ ప్రూవ్డ్ దట్ ఎర్త్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ఇన్ స్పియర్ షేప్. The earth is not exactly in sphere shape like ball. బాల్ లాగా కరెక్ట్గా స్పేర్ షేప్లో లేదు. ఇట్ ఈస్ సంవట్ ఫ్లాట్ ఎట్ ద ఎడ్జ్. ఎడ్జెస్లో ఫ్లాట్గా ఉంటుంది, లైక్ అన్ ఆరెంజ్. యాక్చువల్లీ అవర్ ఎర్త్ ఈస్ ఆరెంజ్ ఇన్ షేప్. తెలుసా మీకు ఆరెంజ్? ఆరెంజ్ ఇలా ఉంటుంది, ఎగ్జాక్ట్ ఇలా ఉండి స్పేర్ షేప్లో ఉండి కొంచెంగా అట్లా ఫ్లాట్ ఉంటుంది. అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారా? కింది కొంచెం ఫ్లాట్ ఉంటుంది, చిన్న పుట్టి ఉంటుంది. మీన్స్ అవర్ సేమ్ అవర్ ఎర్త్ ఆల్సో సేమ్ యాజ్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ ఫిగర్ ఆఫ్ an orange. Here down somewhat flat surface is there. Okay, but why does the earth appear flat to us? If you look out of the classroom window, the earth looks flat, not ball shaped. How do you explain this? Imagine that an ant is crawling on a huge ball. It is so small that it can see very limited area of the ball only. This small area appears flat to the ant. The ant on the ball can see the flat surface only as it is so small when compared to a ball. It is the small for us also on the earth. We are so small when we compare it to the earth. This is the reason why the earth looks flat to us. We can't see that the earth is actually round unless we look at pictures of earth taken from space. Here actually if you look outside through the window, the classroom లో కూర్చొని విండో నుండి బయటకు చూసావనుకో మన ల్యాండ్ ఎలా కనబడుతుందిరా. యాక్చువల్లీ ఎర్త్ స్పేర్ షేప్లో ఉందంటున్నాం, అప్పుడు ఎలా కనబడాలి మనకు? ఇఫ్ యూ సీ అవుట్ సైడ్, నీ విండో దగ్గర కూర్చొని నేను బయట చూసామనుకో రోడ్ అని ఎలా కనబడతాయి రా, అంటే స్ట్రైట్గా ఉంది, ఫ్లాట్గా ఉన్నట్టు కనబడుతుంది. ఇఫ్ యూ సీ త్రూ ద విండో from the classroom, if you see outside, the buildings and also the roads are looking in flat surface. surface పైన మనం ఇల్లు కట్టుకున్నట్టుగా కనబడుతుంది. మనం బిల్డింగ్స్ అన్నీ ఈ సర్ఫేస్ పైన కట్టుకున్నట్టుగా కనబడుతుంది, అవునా? why? Because take an ant. Take a huge ball. Take a huge ball. ఒక పెద్ద బాల్ తీసుకున్నామా. Take a huge ball. Take a huge ball. And when a small ant crawling on the earth surface, on the ball surface, చిన్న యాంట్ బాల్ సర్ఫేస్ అంటే బాల్ పైన నడుచుకుంటూ వెళ్తుంది అనుకో, వెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ వాస్ క్రాలింగ్, ఇట్ ఆల్సో ఫెల్ట్, ద యాంట్ ఆల్సో ఫెల్ట్ దట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫ్లాట్ ఇన్ షేప్. యాంట్ కూడా ఏమనుకుంటుందా అంటే ఇది ఫ్లాట్గా ఉంది, ఈ బాల్ ఫ్లాట్గా ఉందంటే ఇలా ఉంది అనుకుంటుంది, ఫ్లాట్గా ఉంది అనుకుంటుంది. బికాస్ it is a huge ball. It is a huge ball. It is very 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 small ant. And the chinna ant. When you compare the ant with the ball, the ant is very small. It felt that it is flat. Illa feel avutundi. Ikkada ant undra. Okay, it feeling that it is flat in shape. Like that, we too felt like that only. We are very small. We are very 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 small when we compare with the earth. Earth చాలా పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది కదా, అంత పెద్ద ఎర్త్తో మనం కంపేర్ చేసుకుంటే, మనల్ని కంపేర్ చేసుకుంటే మనం కూడా యాంట్ కంటే ఇంకా చిన్నగా ఉంటాం. దట్స్ వాట్ we are feeling that earth is in flat shape. We are feeling, but it is not in flat. It is sphere in shape. Okay? Today's class is completed. Bye. Cloud, huh?